Question 1. In object-oriented programming, which element represents the blueprint for objects? Option A, method. Option B, object. Option C, class. Option D, constructor. The correct answer is option C, class. Question 2. What is the purpose of methods in a class? Option A, to store data. Option B, to provide input-output operations. Option C, to define the behavior of objects. Option D, to create new classes. The correct answer is option C, to define the behavior of objects. Question 3. Which of the following defines a class constructor? Option A, it is a particular type of method used to initialize objects. Option B, it is a function that cleans up the object. Option C, it is used to destroy objects. Option D, it is a method to encapsulate data. The correct answer is option A. It is a particular type of method used to initialize objects. Question 4. In object-oriented programming, what is the difference between a method and a function? Option A, methods belong to objects, while functions are independent. Option B, functions are faster than methods. Option C, methods are more flexible than functions. Option D, there is no difference. The correct answer is option A. Methods belong to objects, while functions are independent. Question 5. Which of the following is an example of encapsulation in object-oriented programming? Option A, inheritance. Option B, polymorphism. Option C, hiding object data using access specifiers. Option D, abstraction. The correct answer is option C, hiding object data using access specifiers. Question 6. How do you access a class member that has been declared as private in C++? Option A, by using the dot operator. Option B, by creating a public method that accesses the member. Option C, directly using its name. Option D, it is not accessible. The correct answer is option B, by creating a public method that accesses the member. Question 7. Which type of method is invoked automatically when an object is destroyed? Option A, constructor. Option B, destructor. Option C, overloaded method. Option D, virtual function. The correct answer is option B, destructor. Question 8. What does the term encapsulation mean in object-oriented programming? Option A, the combining of data and behavior in a single unit. Option B, the ability of different classes to use the same method. Option C, the concept of creating a superclass. Option D, the destruction of objects after use. The correct answer is Option A, the combining of data and behavior in a single unit. Question 9. What is the significance of the keyword this in C++? Option A, it is used to refer to the class itself. Option B, it is used to access static methods. Option C, it is used to refer to the current object instance. Option D, it is used for inheritance. The correct answer is Option C. It is used to refer to the current object instance. Question 10. What is a static method in a class? Option A, a method that operates on a single instance. Option B, a method that belongs to the class, not to any particular object. Option C, a method that cannot be overridden. Option D, a method used in virtual inheritance. The correct answer is Option B, a method that belongs to the class, not to any particular object.